why. And think every day useful to you. Now when you want plug and unplug, now you go enter inside room, plug, unplug, then go back to parlor again. Okay? And this same man never one day, he never one day kiss you. The way I see you, you are very neat. But I don't know why he don't see you. You are even more better. You are even far better than this side chick when you go carry. When they kiss, tongue they enter tongue they enter inside mouth they enter tongue, Bobby down. You understand? So, madam, now you shine your eye. Now you shine your eye. Very, very important. Shine your eye. What did they unplug? No worry, Subhana will explain later. Now, so I quick talk that one. Now I can go. We'll go to our main topic when carry us come here today. Okay? And don't forget, if carry issue don't come give us, what will they do and be saying? Please, if you don't want us to play it, no problem, but tell us. Very, very important. Tell us. If you don't make people know your voice, tell us during the conversation between me and you. Very, very important. Because we too, we have to also secure you. Very, very important, okay? Now, only if you don't care, if you give us, okay, player. Okay? Very, very important, please. Now, una remember, say, beginning of this year, which country I award woman beater give? Which country? Let me see whether our student they follow up. Which country will give award as woman beater? Which country? God bless you, sweet. God bless you. God bless you, sweet banana. Let me say more, remember something. As of January, February, we give Italy men award as woman beater. Yes, but as we speak right now, that award gonna no say football match. No be carry on this year. They carry on next year. Now remember, as we speak right now, that award when Italy men carry for January, we don't carry across Germany. It did Germany as we speak. So as of now, German men, they are the most women beater as at present. Yes, underline it. The cup don't enter Germany now. It don't sit down for Germany as we speak. So Italy don't see, may they see breathe small. May they see breathe small. The cup, is there here. They were they so the Germany here. Now Italy, they never hear anything like that. What you never hear? Say woman they beat man, man they beat woman. You never hear that before. Good now. Then Germany don't carry second award now. It dey here now. As woman beater all over the world. According to my table here. Today is going to be judgment in acts. I don't know what I mean. You know, say for this platform, we listen, we don't judge, but today we go judge small. Today we go judge small. Mommy B, I see you. Good afternoon. What's up? Welcome. One of our sister for Germany here. Oh, we may make una listen. May una share this video. Same mistake. You know why? If I talk something, why they come to pass? Why? Why waiting I talk? If they always they come to pass. Why? I make I on my this thing after the year small. Everything don't download for my brain. Una wait. Why it be say if I talk something and the thing una wait. Make I start that for reconnect again. Okay. Why it be say if I talk something, the thing will just come to pass? Why it be like that? One of our sister for Germany here. No, sir, I thought no days I do. I thought they would want to talk so. He called they date one guy. As they date this guy, luckily, they can't give the woman paper after 2 children. One of the underline, I want you to cut. After 2 children, they can't give her paper. And they give her paper, then she could prepare the paper, make it give the baby papa, because they don't marry, they never marry. But they live together. You know how she carry this stick on? Some of our women believe say, if you want to leave man, and you never see man, they manage the one you get for his house, they look for another one. But that idea, the wrong idea. See what it cost this our sister. Now I tell her so. Suddenly, maybe now they call me wait. Very, very important. We talk their show. Did they call us? Okay. So now they call it day 2. They call it do things together. In the first place, everything was so sweet. You know, the guy have Italian paper. Everything was so sweet. Everything was nice. As you come born one, the man called the change. Come born 2. He said the man will beat him. We say, I love this man. If I go give out to police now, after 2 children, who want to come see me? Who want to come marry me? Who want to come carry me again? After 2 children, he called the beard the man. One day, Shosha called to investigate this woman. Say, this woman, the way to the shock, you know, the way to the shock. You know, say Germany, they observe people well. The way the woman take the shock, not be ordinary. If you do appointment with them, you no shock, without nothing. They call the monitorer. She don't know. Call the monitorer. She don't know. One day, Shosha come go ask question, information for their neighbor when they close to their room, their neighbor. Come go ask question. Those one come tell they say they disturb her every time that they fight. Now they fight. And this same woman, he not tell government say this man even they stay the house. But that one you can deny it. It's not a problem. You can deny it. You can say you are just a visitor. That will be the issue here. Then shall call the monitor them. Then one day again, what is our brother? Lord come run against her. As Lord run against her, because they misbehave, they fight, they do this, they do that. That neighbor, he can call police, can call Shosha. They can come. And that day she for lose the children. They say, may he choose. Not to do more. May he choose. Yes. Because may he choose between the man or the children. But they don't ask a question like that before. But now he will choose. If he choose the man will deal with you for inside this house. Your children will be removed. Because why? This home is very toxic. Well, listen, got us okay. He choose the children. The police can't give the man almost 19 to 20 days, make he stay off that area. Then do my can't go TikTok. That one and the boyfriend and girlfriend, I put on like that. One don't understand. Can go TikTok. Then you can go to search for. You know what I mean? You can go to search. As you go to search, you can see another guy. But with that guy never your caught permanently, or they never your caught permanently. You can go to search, you can find another guy, also from Italy. Those Italy, they burn us plenty. Even me, I be Italian products. And they get the good ones and they get the bad ones. More not forget. Because they carry that one, come introduce that one, come. Now come, same Germany here. Because sometimes you will say, the one where you even fed there with now when they beat you, if you're not careful, like that they talk say, you are mistake, now 5 and 6, what you put to that. That one when they beat them, when police call even involved, for this one, when you go carry console, now ×8. This one, so, you know the slapper, no. You know the kicker, no. You know the blower, no. You know the carry off, not ground, no. Now only ear. As we me the talk, so I get photo of this our sister. You know, say now it can't be people when they put something for inside ear, something there inside her ear. We both choke something for inside her ear. Without that, she not feel hear what. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Fortunately, one thing inside this ear, another thing inside this ear, we both put for inside. Cause this guy, now so ear, now the target him. So ear, so ear, so ear. Now for the slapper, boah. Say even that one if I deal with, if they withstand that one. But this one, come like person go carry Ogbekpaluma put for us. Ogbekpaluma say so it be. No matter she says she faint, she will faint. Police will still come. She will still defend the man on the line. When I see where my anger dey, she will still defend the same man. When I will tell her what they carry come here. We never reach what they carry come here. She will still defend the same man. Before you know, he can't get belly. Now listen, he can't get belly. As he got belly now again, he can't born her for this new guy. Okay? He can't born her for this new guy. Sometimes, something they worry some people. More you're being honest. Sometimes, many of us, it get what they worry us. But, because already she already tell me, say, if she knows say she fucked up, for where would they go so, but more not patient, So now, because of fear, that guy don't put fear. See, the day where he will call police for him, as police they come out, then he will just buy him. So that don't take fist for her brain. You know they fist for her brain. Say he say he will buy him. I say he say he will buy you. But you not be Italian or Germany. So you can't let that thing stick to your brain. And you not fit tell police. You say because he say he will buy you. I understand. Why don't they disappoint us like this? To the extent, they fix 2 things for your ear. Make you tell the hear what. So you can't just allow this guy beat you for 2 ears. To the extent can't condemn almost your eardrum. Almost your eardrum is condemned, madam. 36 years, not be small pikin. You are not a kid. 36 years. You can't allow boy, street boy, can't beat you. Reach like that. When you know say this country, you are 100% secure. You don't want the call police. Auto say will buy you. So now those boys when they fly level. Yeah, they exist for here. I'm saying today, One day, the same social, they can't help her hold one pikin. They can't help her hold one pikin. Because the whole state they shock, they can't even they fear, make she not go collapse one day. They tell her they sign paper for her and say, this your pikin, we not collect her. Government not collect her. We won't help you hold one for inside. You are not comfortable. You understand? Okay. And they cut time, but don't say if we don't play their video and they forget a lot. You understand? Now, make una see what he carry come. Before I go to she carry come. This guy, nasty police, where she not call in the early stage. Nasty police, now he can deport this guy from Germany here down to Italy. They send this guy so. This woman so when not call police in the early stage. When call the fear to call police. Now the same police now can help her deport this guy down to Italy. That will be the issue now. Please, more than patience. More than just relax. Do you know that? Do you guys know that this woman don't go back to the first man? As me they talk now. Do you know that? Do you know that? Do you guys know that? As me they talk now, he don't go back to that first man. Make I tell you why. You know, see that guy not get paper. They born. They were about to process the documents when that thing happened. Okay? So now police can hunt everything down. Now, this guy, he can go to use the family, your family, as in the man family, where they Germany here, and the man family, where they Italy, they can come down here for Germany here. That's his last month. They come summon meeting. More than see the way they manipulate you now. They manipulate you now. I will say you be my sister. I will say you be my sister. You be my blood sister. As now only God know what if will happen. They come summon meeting. When they did the meeting, if they talk one thing, they will dare against the guy. If they talk another thing, they will dare against the guy. Now plan work, oh. Now plan work. Now plan work. We know this game. We can't even do it. You understand? If you talk any small thing, they will dare against the guy. They come just to let the woman know say we not support the guy. You see, now remember say I tell una say it get wetin they talk to women. God create all women with teeth, but now only few. Now if they know if the thing they talk to them. Now remember say I talk every time. Wetin make come carry the matter come here. She dey watch us well. Inside that last month, she be one carry the matter come give us. The other man come dey draw and down say no. Okay? The same man now, when they come settle, people come from Italy, people come from Germany. When they come settle them, make una see how government they collect their children. One pikin don dey with government now as we speak. Oh, I want to give una the tips. Make una see why and how government they involved for their life. Make una don't forget, say this same man na first start this whole thing. Okay? When the woman dey normal, enough in manager. But now when the competent for her ear, now we confident manager, if no paper they find, underline that place. Underline that place. Now, They don't advise this woman. I say, make carry their brother go where they take paper. Say their brother no misbehave again. That everything is fine. That was last month. Because they carry paper, carry paper, everything general. Do you believe that 4 days ago, the same guy, the same Jesus Christ, when they say don't go repent, he tear us laugh 4 days ago. Now he make her, he carry waka come to Nana. She's confused. The problem, okay, do you believe that he go carry this man now come house? Government not they aware. Same social not they aware. One of their picking he did with government. They said they help her hold her. Because say she they shock. Okay? The same man now, when he start the whole scenario, because they say the family come they beg you, you can't feel say they came genuinely. You don't know that they want their brother to just have this document called Germany through those children. Person where they beg for last month here and then they beg for them. 4 days ago, he tell you slap. He tell you slap. I tell this woman, say, this matter, I don't want to go platform. She was begging me that she knows she don't fuck up. Anyhow ever, people take talk, she will take it. She don't fuck up, she don't. Okay? The same man, when government, because of her, collect one picking and when they with government. The same man, you go back to the same man, carry the same man, come the same house. Neighbors, they see him. Neighbors, when fair the report to now, they see him for there. So now, if those who are not don't know, say the same man when they help you pursue, you carry the same man now come back again to that house. What would that be the fate of those children living with this woman? So tomorrow, when they leave for Germany, go hear her. You will say, Germany, oh, Germany, oh, Germany, oh. And they shout up and down. So when I see the way that they use their children till they play gamble for Germany. So when I see the way they use their children till they play gamble for Germany. Because definitely, if God may know about that thing, say, this same man is still come back to that house. Now those children body they will put on woto. Okay? Now, who tell this woman say, if this man carry document finish, this man can't be you can't be good person. Going for learner, and who tell her, say this man a document they make and they misbehave. Now so the sisters they tell her. So because he don't get paper, then everybody they prepare her. Because he don't get paper. But who tell you say paper they make body the pepper person? Eh? Who tell the sister say document person not get if they make body the pepper person come to the extent come they beat the wife? I don't understand. I understand. So as me on the talk so wait. As we don't talk so, I'll cover her name, Mona, sorry. As we talk so, Mona, wait. I want to do something. I thought so. As we already talk, nah. See the one phone. When I say another issue, now you're the pour in. As we already talk so. Now here, make another issue. Now you're the pour in. Another situation. Now they pour in my phone, they pour in. All this thing they pour in, so you will enter my brain later. You can't enter my brain. So they say, nah, this one all long. You just make me the feel already. You can't enter my brain. How can they tell now? What's happen? You understand? This same woman, you know, they think of how you want to collect people done for government hand. You know, think about how she want to move on without no man for now. You know, think about that one. What did they want to deceive her now? They just want me she fight documents for this man, for their brother. If you fight document for their brother finish, then their brother was off a carry load and move. So, where they tell now say, why me not they blame people too much? I can't understand one thing for this life. What did I understand? You know what we for come for Africa? Not be everybody wise, not be everybody smart. Many people don't get parents, may not grow with their parents. You understand? Many people grow for Ogomadia. So, if you're not going to be Ogomadia, that's not going to concern me. At least, you won't understand what I talk. May you help the heart for comment section. Many people grow for Ogomadia. Yeah, thank you for helping out. Okay? People grow like that. Person when you grow for Ogomadia. Okay? Person when you grow for Ogomadia. It can't come abroad. Just like that. We ask ourselves, how that kind of person want to make decision who will favor him? That's why it's no. For this same platform, now when some women will come, they will say, I don't know how to read, I don't know how to write. For this same platform, I didn't say all, I didn't say all, I say some of them. This same platform, now people will come, they will say, I don't know how to read, I don't know how to write, and this my boyfriend or my husband is using it against me. Now when they stop everything for you. When they stop every time. Germany be say, if government don't they collect your children, 1, 2 must follow. 2 must follow. That's what it be for here. Because you don't have to create the room for them to enter those children's life. Now you can go meet government now. Government can't rescue you. Make sure that this man come out. You ask yourself, see, man will not tolerate you. We never born for another man. Enough to tolerate you. Okay? Enough to tolerate you when you dey under am without never born for another man. Now that same man will fit tolerate you when you know say you don't fair go born for another person and come back again. Yeah, God. You guys don't have to understand. Now on this fan. You never understand. Man when they beat woman. Man when they beat woman. When the woman dey on her own or on her own. We never see any other person. You know if he cope with this woman. Now when this woman go born again for outside, go give her pekus to another man, come back again. So the man is on a mission. Even some people that are born today go know say this guy dey on a mission. Because why? The easier way for this guy to get document now through those children. Common sense is not common. You understand? The family of this man, no day when they call this woman. Call upon call. Call upon call. Call upon call. Call upon call. They call her. He call her. See what I thought say. If you see where single mothers, some of single mothers, they advise single mothers, tears, it will fool your eye. Some of them, you know why? One of the husband brother, the husband sister, will come from Italy. He called to tell this woman, say, her husband, mark when she get for elected today. Now her husband, total want to make a buy for Italy. He just come from work. He say, me come make a buy. Why she herself come from work? Okay? That's to say he don't tire. He want to sleep small. He want to sleep small. Manage what you get for fridge. The husband can't go inside kitchen. As you go inside kitchen, go water for fire. I won't be say, this man to say, I'm not gonna help her do make the eba. Now she can't get up. Go say water do the boy, the man did there, the husband did kitchen. That hot water, instead of the husband use and take make her, or may allow the woman, the wife come do it for her. The husband come pour the hot water for her leg. Okay? Her own husband, he come pour the hot water for her leg. Now she they use until they advise this woman. So say, even as he do all those things, say she still stay. Not be that one make they separate. But when you got the too much, and she not get one teeth today for teeth. Say now that same husband, now he do one, but she still stay. But when you don't overtray her too much, then now they can't separate for now. Say, but if that same man, say from tomorrow, say, I don't repent, then I will still carry the man back. What is it telling you now? He's trying to brainwash this their wife. Say, what he don't see for marriage, say he don't see for marriage. He don't even see half of waiting she don't see. See the advice. Because you see something for marriage, you feel taken. It means say, sister successful, you feel see take what you take. Dynamic I thought say, if you see where some single mothers, they advise other single mothers. Cloth when you wear, you know this should take clean tears. You know what this? Meaning, you are just complaining. They never even burn you. They never pour water for your leg. And never remove your teeth. You they complain. But we don't receive all those ones for husband hands. For husband hands. Underline that thing. Now see the problem. Instead, maybe they happy say, this woman don't feel leave your brother won't be your paluma. Maybe they happy. You they advise this woman because you know say, may your brother get paper now you day. The life of this woman and her kids is not important to your family. It's a pity. I know what I'm saying. That's what did happen. I wish that woman first on this platform. When that if happen to her. Before you go they find one useless one for Italy. If I don't enter that guy body. No. If I don't fit down that guy. Because while here, we for scope him in a way where we say, you know, if you do that kind of mistake. So not to say make it call us, she will try and say no. Not to they push and they confront, not to they push and they go back. But this time around, it can gather mind. Conte, talk to me. Thank you, Mr. Angel. I see you. We can talk to me. Now the pressure is too much on her. Pressure. God bless you, my brother. Exceptional be I see you. Pressure left and right. Make you go give their brother documents. Na paper now. Na paper now. Also you give a paper, you go to misbehave. You leave her for God now. Na paper. They don't will let her talk her mind. They don't want to let her decide her mind. Anyway, make una sorry. Because of time, may I quit sleep today. So I say make I cut. I want carry one story journal today, but I also say within necessary, because that story will iron tomorrow. Now what take carry can't give now. Not be able to continue the marriage, you not see marriage for there again. The guys just start to they slap him again, they beat him. They don't say they feel something for her ear when she did they hear what where. Okay? This same guy now, they want this same woman now, they want force and carry her go foreign office. They go give their brother documents. Why be say the family of your husband or the family of your boyfriend will know the issue between you and your husband, but your whole family will know the issue. Underline that, please. Why is it like that? Do you think you are helping yourself? If you think you are helping yourself, rather you are helping the marriage, you are wasting your time. The day you will relate the one issue to your family, they will not believe you. Yes, and so it be. They will never believe you. They will tell you that, is it only that one? Is it only that one? But they don't know that you have been passing through a lot. I beg you in the name of God, if anything is happening to you in your marriage house, in your boyfriend's house, please also report to your own family. Very, very important. Very important. I know what I'm saying. Very, very important. Report to them as well. They will not buy you. They will not do you anything. They will do you anything. Do you understand? Like this woman in France. I wish this woman not carry matter can't give us. When we say we first know about the situation before that video can circulate. How for to judge that woman? I can't be say it don't carry the matter come here. Say here na family. My family fair put her for inside the matter. You see, huh? Beware of some people when they call your role model. My sister, if they talk finish today, I talk my own here. No way for start again later. If I call you, where me and you for stop in the morning, and then I want to start again. I will advise you small journal. 4 days ago, it still was you slap. You are playing with your children. Your children's life, you are playing with it. Until government, we don't pray for that too. Until government will knock on your door for the second time. You'll be surprised. Anyway, now what carry can't give you be that too. She's confused. She don't know what to do. Want to just do everything for God and let the man just go if you want to go. Whether make you just forget about the man. Why make you pursue the man more for your house? You don't know what to do again. And don't forget, not all women know what to do. Okay? Not all women know what to do. I have to be honest. I don't see her on several occasions. Not be all women know what to do. Not be all at all. I greet to my brother SBC.
Baba, I greet you. I greet the house.
You're welcome.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. I greet all of you now. Today, we don't want to stress anybody. Based on saying, we gather our energy to take this Ogboge matter according to our brother, brother Andy. Yes, but please, guys, let's take these likes to 70K before we start. We are almost there. We'll bring people come up. Please, I beg, come up, come talk your own. Everybody must not agree. When people talk, go left. Get the patience, the mind to take no say some people go still talk, go right. Because say you go left, who not me say who go right, not get sense. You will go right, not me say who go left, not get sense. They say, Bini say, Agbonya viun koko, amen iruro ito. Oh God. You say everybody like them for one place. They don't know who lies they here. You know understand? So some of us will still come up here can give advice today. Madam, some of us your situation 50 better pass our own. You understand? But please, madam, take a pen and paper, take advice where you know say it go benefit you for this matter we want talk so. Because not be everybody will come up can't give you advice. Go give you advice way good for you. So not to spoil and more, you must listen very well. You understand? You must listen very well. That's why they call it public platform. You see, where everybody you can't talk. Please, my people, let's go to 70K. Make all of us start to send requests. Make we can't talk our own. The way they day. Make we talk and small. A lot of people day whether they wait for. They wait to come more. They don't send requests. I beg. We could just see that 70K. My people, 70K cannot be the main goal. Today, we are going from 300K. But for now, we are starting with 70K. So, make we just the tap the go because if when the thing is sweet, I go stop us. We'll go like 100 again. Add another 200 journal. We go tap almost 20 to 30 minutes. We know never talk. So, make we just the tap the go so that the more we tap, the more we bring more people, the more you the save person. Because this matter where host just drop. So, my people, me personally, I don't like 7 things. Trust me, many of you are not going to like me for this platform today. I don't like 7 things. Where we say, some of you feel to say, bros, well done. So go say, this bros not your get sense. But no problem. Because if it not get sense to you, waiting I want to talk, you know, make sense to you, if it makes sense to somebody else. But today, we know they live Toto Naknash. We could talk on the way be. Mama B, I see you, Mama.
No be you talk say, I know be small pikin, I don't get sense. No be you
No,
talk.
we never reach that one. We never reach that one. And when I give my submission be that. Yes. We could just 70K, I beg. More do want to 70K, more start. Mama B,
I don't find you. I don't find you Narciso.
where you find? Oh, you go. Oh, you forgo Rockpota.
You
Oh,
not quit open now.
no, we do Rockpota. Oh,
I come 11-4.
Bros, you not quit open. Yesterday, I see find you around. Oh, I been want even call you. I said maybe you want relax too.
Well, I just sleep, mama.
I can't they check where you they keep time, whether you write anything out. Where you go tell Oppo.
I never
I
knew
said,
for mama.
look, you know, Oppo. Follow Sweet Banana, go the pressing home to see where he did. I don't see anything. I say, what did they happen? I be the police case don't reach where we did.
No. The police case, what they do, you not concern anybody here.
No concern us. Okay.
You not concern us. And the police case, you don't get with it, do not be anything. Okay?
Though, good to see you again.
Thank you, mama. Great to you. Yesterday I just sleep. Bro, Andy, I greet you, sir. Good afternoon. We were on the mute aside, inside of me.
He not mute. Maybe he never put Wetin they put for here, they talk. He they find out. It be like that sometimes. So.
Yours is looking fresh. Doro Party, not today
I would only 70K. Mama, I beg, if you breed them up, won't start.
Okay.
Doro Party. I just start to the sibling. That's me before.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, FBC.
Mommy,
Good
Davis, I
afternoon,
see you.
Mommy
Good
Jenny.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
I bet you they can't they mute yourself. Oh. Thank
Mute
you.
your side. As you are coming, please.
The plate Jesus.
One woman tell me, say, Brother Austin, how I want to be your member for a year. Everything we do for you now free. Okay? I want to be your member is very, very simple here. They come the platform. Okay? Follow the page. Let us know you. Either for comment section or for guest session. Okay? It's finished.
But Austin,
Very
you
easy.
still the men want to and obey the rules and the regulation of the house.
Yes. If today's your first time watching us, okay, what could tell you what you will not like for this platform, and you will witness as yourself from the beginning of this broadcast, go to the end. You want to come out. You know, we'll see even for comment section, person write insults. For here, insult, it be like poison to us. We know the alarm. As you all see, say you all press insult, will they remove you immediately? Will they block you? Okay? Number one. And number two, the mindset of tribe. For here, we not just want time. Anything like tribe, we don't talk for here. Tribe, we don't need them. You know, so for some platform, when they carry palace issue enter, till they make some talk. You see here, it's verboten. That means it's forbidden. For here, we don't need that. So if we feel do all these things, we not get problem. For this place, now our matter, now it hold us. I beg, make we act and behave as one family. Thank you, and you are welcome, the newcomers. Una do well. So, make we continue the broadcast. Make una listen. Madam, they watch us, they listen to us. Sometimes I dey pray, me I not get some people for family, because me I will not be happy. You get why? So, make we start the program. If you know, say, you dey watch this program since when I start them, and you know wetin we dey talk about for the program, just unmute your side and talk to us. Okay?
Brother Andy, Mama B, you want something?
No, not now.
Okay, Brother Andy, I beg, may you carry your travail. Brother Andy, you there?
Yeah, I did hear.
Okay, Baba, go on.
Mr. Austin, my brother, the Prime Minister of the People's Parliament, we greet you this morning respectfully. SBCIC, Mama B, everybody who did the Parliament today. I see all of you now. Today matter I get as a B, the matter full ground. They say all lizard belly dey for ground. They don't know the one we get running stomach. Not so we see this matter today, my people. This matter I get as a B because I don't underline tire, I even put red ink, can't put question mark tire. Like my brother SBC say, he's saying get 7 points where you don't highlight. My own pass that one. But today we touchlight the matter as a day. Make I wear my glasses first. May God help me. As Holy Spirit say, SBC go always say, make Holy Spirit give him wisdom today. Mr. Austin, I beg, make you ring better bell for yourself. I beg, ring what better bell for yourself.
Now better bell ring go. Good bell.
The better bell where you ring for yourself, we want to thank you specially because you be good storyteller. The way where you they compose yourself, they talk this story, they travail, they go, they make sense and they give the thing spice. I beg, ring one better bell for me, make anointing for my head.
Not gonna use my red to finish, oh.
My brother, I go leave some for you, my brother. Well, as they don't ring bell for me inside the bus, I go to travail, they go as this matter reach. So, my sister, this matter where you come meet us for this Ogbonge Parliament today, get us a B. Well, I want to thank God, say from right from the beginning, you don't take accountability, say yourself, you mess up. And my sister, we sympathize with you for everything where they happen to you. But what one question I want to ask here be say, my sister, you get what your Igbo man they call trauma bonding. And that trauma bonding now, when person come from strong emotional attachment for people where be say they abuse them inside toxic relationship. My sister, you dey inside that ship or you dey inside that boat. And as you don't carry the matter, come meet us for this parliament, talk, not say make them not talk. But we go tell you as it be. We not go judge. We go judge you small, make you not vex. So and we go still tell you the truth. Because my people say now for in present of bitter cola, now they tell bitter cola, say bitter cola, you bitter, we could not lie to you. And true, bitter cola bitter. And this your story, sir. You can't even bitter pass bitter leaf water because me, I like to drink bitter leaf water. But this one, as I drink the water, so I spit and come out. But my sister, we come here, can't help you, but we will tell you as it be. Now, one person, question why they ask me, say, people go, I beg. Now, this all you bodo, now all of us, they so with these people where they beat women, we don't talk for this parliament. I beg, our men, we can do better. What you want be say you day community where say ekelebe, any small thing ekelebe don't throw you go put for one corner, put small rope for your hand. Family members they go put you for school. You not go even the see sky self. You go still come obodo yibo. You go still carry that your habit where you carry come for bongo. Come, I beg. This beating all the time. You get as it be, my people. It don't make sense at all. I be not be the same men we will be. Una go beat person, any small thing don't beat person. You get one video I watched yesterday. Any small thing, the woman don't go slap the man. Now I can't say, Now so the quick people, they slap people like this. Any small thing, they don't slap person. And we go come obodo yibo, instead of us to regulate ourselves, we not regulate ourselves, we go still carry that our shenanigans, according to one of my friends, carry and enter obodo yibo. They not they beat person for obodo yibo, my people. And madam, you dey inside toxic relationship. One not work, two this one go woes you. The one where second one where you go even carry self, that one come in own woes in arrest to power 100, and you still accommodate these people. Not call ekelebe. Una the pity for our children at all. Now yeah, they always they ask myself, because they say if two elephants fight, now grass they suffer. At the end of the day, now our children are in they suffer for this matter. Look now, because of the one where you carry put for house where they woos you all the time, they can't carry one picking for your hand because you not balance. Your brain not balance. This kind of thing me I don't understand though. I don't understand at all. Because if you dey inside relationship where we say intermittently, your abuser go to woos you, slap, go to treat you badly, go show you kindness, you go still stay put there, they cover up for them. You know they feel for your children, say you they raise your children for war zone. Because at the end of the day, our people they say, now waiting, if you be farmer, now waiting you give ground if you they plant during yam season. That is why you go see some farmers, they go carry big yam, they put them for ground. The people go, they think say they're foolish. Then what did they do? Because now what you give ground, and ground go give you back. During harvest, you go see the farmer, they smile. Because the kind yam when go even uproot, come up from ground, it go be like ×2 or ×3 for what you give ground. Because na the law of nature. If you carry man, we be saying na nyama man, carry put for your house, it go they woes you every day in presence of your children. You not, in fact, your children say go come turn up to become that kind of person. Oh, madam, you self you dey your body. Oh, because I don't understand. Man go first man they woes you, second man they woes you. That be say comma dey for your character. Underline, comma big comma it dey your character. If it be say maybe your mouth be like razor blade, where be say before the man talk one, you don't talk 10, they go respond to you like that. And we don't talk on for this platform. Say on no account. On no account, no matter how woman provoke you reach for Bodoipo, I beg, no bitter. There are many ways to kill a rat with the inside calabash. Not be only beating. Now, we don't pass that level for this modern days. Now, this modern days, now man, they beat woman. Now, they sit down, ask yourself, they ask myself, all these men where they beat women, say, because sometimes I don't they for court through where they say they go carry man come. They say na beating, they beat. Waiting. We don't talk and hear be say, if you come up you both say you get anger problem, we carry come for Bongo. I beg, carry and go give Boko Haram people for Sambisa Forest, make them help you keep am first. Or better still, if you know say enough you control yourself for Bodo Ibo, you feel still go that Sambisa Forest, go meet them, say, I want join Boko Haram, make all of us the Trabaye go. And at the end of the day, Nigerian government go still catch you. You go, there's that problem. I beg. Make you put down your anger on that bed. We know say some of our women, they're not good though. Before you talk one, they don't talk 10. But you need to control yourself. Make you not put yourself, carry yourself, go where you're not supposed to go. My sister, you fool your body. You know the pity for your children at all. Because this one a repeated cycle. Number one, no good. Number two, you carry number two come. You got a CBO. My grandpapa, they say, if man not marry 2 wives, you know, they know the one will be queens. Your own situation now don't pass queens level because the 2 people where you carry drop body now, the first one don't go second, all of them, you 2 of them are the same category. All of them are the same category. Because now waiting you give ground according to what you talk, now ain't ground go give you. I beg. Anytime I they like to advocate for children because at the end of the day, now children ain't go suffer the whole thing at the end of the day. I there for one platform yesterday, I there for one FYP. They not I they listen to wait one woman talk. Number 1 picking, government carrier. Number 2, government carrier. Even the way which they talk for the number 2 self, no remorse. Abi we come this obodo you come labor at the end of the day. Government go call the carry our children, they go. It don't make sense now. There are people where they find picking where they never see picking, that they pray, that they go fasting and prayer, don't go mountain tire, don't go do IVF tire. The thing not work, that they pray, say, God, I beg. Even if not only one you won't give me, I glorify you. But God go don't bless us for this obodo ibo. We not go regard our children. Now so we go behave, they do at the end of the day, government go come carry our children, go. We go come here, come they pray, come say make people join you, they pray and fast. I know they pray and they fast for this kind of people. I know they pity those kind of people. It's very, very annoying, my sister. Because if you not value yourself, people not go value you. Now the way you carry yourself, now the way people go take look you, respect you too. My sister, you don't respect yourself at all. This trauma bonding, you need to break free from this trauma bonding, you know. Because you self, you don't already establish and say you be that kind of person where you like toxicity, you like that toxic environment. If you be saying at the place where you from grow, maybe in a social fight, they fight for that arena. So the thing don't master you for. But my sister, you there for Bodo Yibo, where you suppose arrange yourself, arrange your life. That your first picking with government, that your picking with government go take. I not like them at all. We're not going to burn our picking here where they suffer, we cover the car and they give Yibo people where sit down their own, fold their hands, carry our children, they go. It don't make sense. My sister, I beg you. Now you feel create safe space for yourself, or you never create that space safe for yourself. Number 1, you never recognize the pattern where you did so. You never acknowledge, you say the relationships where you did, they very, very unhealthy for you. And you never identify, say, the circle of abuse and the reward where you they get for that situation. You not want to help yourself. You they enjoy them. You they enjoy them, my sister. Because if you know the enjoyer, you go seek professional help, you go connect with trusted friends, family members, and professionals who go fit offer you better perspective to come out for that situation. You never even establish a boundary for this your relationship because from the way where you talk, you never set clear emotional and physical boundaries where you go protect your well-being and your children's well-being. My sister, you need to go therapy. We don't need to tell you where you need to get therapy. Therapy is very, very important for you. Because this trauma bonding where they suffer so, this low self-worth where you never rebuild, so this, you never process the emotional wounds where you don't, they suffer all this while. Now, they pain me. They pain me. Because we not go feel the touch like this ogbonge matter, we not tell you where it is for your body. It dey your body. It dey your body full ground. Because the man when you they bring, they come. Man go just sit down and begin the woes woman like that. You know they ask yourself what you know they do right, even though they will not justify DV for this platform. Madam yourself, you need to sit down and identify yourself. Forget about all those things where they tell you they're happy about the situation. That's the truth. Because my papa saying a person where see better place they shit now they put hand for ground. If you they shit for somewhere or you go bush where be saying a shit full everywhere for that place, you not go put your hand for ground because you go even use your hand block your nose. You dey better place now where we say you think you dey comfortable. That's why they bring all these toxic men. They come that environment where they show those children, toxicity. My sister, I beg. The children where God don't bless you with, not torchlight them, follow bad way. Where we say at the end of the day, they will come be like the men where you they carry, they come they live with you. Why the men they come they live with you? They not get their own house. Now you they come they carry them, they put for your house. Even though say they not get pepper, then I beg. Now when they even encourage all these men, where they give them that boldness, they can't treat us anyhow. Madam, I beg. The only way where you go feel break free from this trauma bond the way you did so, it hard though, because it dey your body. Even though say you leave this other man, because you dey enjoy this kind of scenario, the 3rd man or the 4th man will go come into your life, then go get this repeated pattern because now this kind of people now you they like. Because you self get that kind of behavior for your body. Madam, now you get the knife, now you get the yam. Like as I'd always say, if you not liberate yourself, liberate your children, If government come pack all those your children go because of the shocking body where you they get now, why I don't understand. Now you cause am for yourself. And that shocking body, the only place where that shocking body go stop, now to go therapy, because your social work, your social self, according to what they call and there, don't even notice your shocking body. My sister, I beg, for the children's sake, we beg you in the name of God, make you liberate yourself from this toxic environment where you put yourself. Now you get the power to do them. Nobody get the power to do them. All the underlying things and the question mark I don't put here. And the red pen, I don't even underline some with red pen self. Madam, rescue yourself from this trauma bonding. That toxic environment where you raise those children, at the end of the day, we go blame you because now you they put them for that situation. Now you they put these children for this situation. Many of us would they cry here. Now many of us they call all this social they enter our family. If you see some of you both self, before social enter their family, they put iron gates. They go buy a bonge padlock, take padlock their gate so that they're not gonna know what thing they happen to them. But we here, we go just expose our family, expose our children. They give woto anyhow. Now for Obodo Ibo 9 people they fight. Now for Obodo Ibo person they pour hot water for person leg. Now for Obodo Ibo person go wash person slap. So they one ear go block. They go come put something inside where they give her, they make her hear what. Pause go even they come off for ear. Now only Obodo Ibo would, I beg our men, make we do better. Our women say, make we not encourage these men, they give them that standpoint. Where they say, they go come they treat us like they will be piece of rag. Now the way person value himself, now they go value more. Our elders, they say, person on the day inside water, soap go they enter in eyes. Person not go get lips, rain go they beat in teeth. It shows say you be foolish person if you have that kind of thing to happen. Madam will not put you into that arena of foolishness. We believe, say, as you don't come into this family today, you go learn sense, borrow leg, join leg, we go make you pick race, come up for those toxic environment, because now our children won't protect. We not want here say every time government go come to carry our children, they travailler. We not like them. My sister, make you nothing say I tell you too harsh with you. Now, as I get sense rich, now I tell you, they say a word is enough for a wise. I rest my mic here. God bless you.
Wow. Thank you, my brother. God bless you, brother Andy. Thank you very, very much for your submission. Thank you. And she's listening. And we are trying our best to see if they are going to be hearing all these things. So, thank you, sir. Make we go to my sister, lovely sister, Sister Davis. Sister Davis, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you for your good work.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you, sir. I beg. Wetin I want talk be say. You know, say I don't feel talking for this platform be say. So many women they used to their abuser. Now wetin our uncle talk just now say the emotional bond with their this thing. You know, say me not talking for good English. When you they used to your abuser, they very difficult to come out. Especially those of us who be say we not really grow with our parents. We grow for only what we have knew or know all the days of our life. Not only to the basketballs, not only that one we they used to. So as we come now we'll consider that kind of thing. We know the thing as red flag. We the thing say na a normal thing for us. We know if they take as anything, and if person even they'll say I not be common slap. They'll say I common slap, a common slap. Man, just slap you. You just call police. You just carry and go prison. You just go do this one. You are a bad woman. You are a bad egg. Among women, I saw that they talk. But they don't know say that slap now, that same common slap, now he don't deft person ear so. So the same woman will say because of one slap, call police, make the man go learn. They will say a bad woman. But this man now this one now he don't turn to this thing because of a slap. Nothing is common. I beg my sister, I want beg you in the name of God. If that man, the person will never get paper, they behave like this. If you can't get paper, uncle. If you can't get paper, uncle, we know say He no go fit comot for the country again. May I give you one scenario now. This man go get paper. He go come on leave you, go rent house. You can't tell government say, no be binta, no be not the speaker for na country. That Jenny just he go say, you go be social, say this woman is not normal anymore. I want to take my children. He go take the right from you. If he cannot take care of those children, he go call his sister to give those children to his sister. I just tell you now, you feel not believe me, but do it. Just by mistake, go do and continue to live with them. You go remember, you can't tell Browse to say, Madam Davis talk him. He go collect paper, he go collect your children from you. If he cannot take those children from you, government will take it. He will tell government to take it from you that you are not responsible, that you cannot take care of those children. It's not be said this thing, I just tell you what I know. And another thing, sister, please, if you be single mother, as my husband thought, so be my future colleague. I beg my future colleague. I beg. Mo will they do better. Mo will they do better. Stop going online to look for a man. I know say yes, they see good people online, but it takes God's grace. No, you they carry all the FBC say even man wey wear suit sometimes na head of psychiatric home, na headmaster for psychiatric home. Not because they wear suit, they dress normal. Say they normal. They not dey normal sometimes. Make sure so you verify well before you they go out with any man. Not just carry and come open your leg. I put the leg before you they bond with somebody. Just open leg like that. You know they do you somehow. You know they do you somehow. Say you just see somebody, just open leg and just carry belly. And a man raise hand, slap you once, 2 times. You still get mad to take get belly for that kind of man. I don't get belly, God forbid. You don't forget children. Why are you rushing? What do you call the rush for? You know, say you fuck up. And anybody will never fuck up. You mean they raise their hand, go up. I don't know if you say I better pass you. No. But no make this mistake. No make this mistake, I beg, sister. I don't want me person they say, nah, this one, nah, juju. Juju never did this one now. Take yourself out. That for that man to even slap you that 4 days ago, I beg, sister, if I were you, he lie long, me don't pick her, don't put her for gates, he don't come out. Because most of all these men, they know they get bag, na nylon bag, they know they get luggage, na nylon bag, they put that sacco bag, now they put their load for outside. I know say people say I dey rude, but I just the talk truth. If I get brother, say that brother beats any woman. For what? Me, I know they take calm. I know they take calm. My head, no, it dey sacco. I know they take calm. Now, wetin I dey tell you? If you insult me, if you slap me, my dear, you go in for it. And if you don't come back, if you don't learn in the hard way, if your head correct, say you don't go that school, you don't. Because if you, all these people, all these men, so if you call this thing for them, then they say they want really learn. As they inside that prison, government they give them what they call it. If they tell government say they still want their family back, government will come put them for school to go learn how to manage their emotion. Una no know so na even they help them. Now because una they go back, when they say I know one case again, I know one case again. Now it mean they know they change. Let government finish doing what they want to do. Go meet them, tell them say if the man say he want the family back, they will carry and go school. You go learn how to control emotion. You go learn how to respect other people's opinion. You go learn everything. As you don't learn and finish, you go come back. Now you make some people come say, my husband raised hand to beat me once and he never tried it again. So people will say, no, abuser don't change. Those one will really go learn that they change. Now that one where you don't let government treat the fuck up. Now you know they change. Oh. Not tell me say that family member go do one. Family member cannot do it. Family member cannot do it because they don't feel raise hand beat my way they give them food. But police go help you stretch am. You go stretch the man, when the man will come back. Some people say, if any woman call police for me, I can never forgive that woman. I bet, brother, you will slap woman. Why can you forgive yourself? Can you forgive yourself for slapping a woman? If a woman call police for you, not forgive her, carry your bag of baggages, go. Why are you coming back? If this man don't get paper now, my sister, what thing go tell you? Hey, you think say I forget that time we take call police on me? I just they look you because say my leg never strong. Now I am capable. I am strong. I'm going to deal with you. And that deal with you when you talk. So not say I joke. And you go deal with you go collect your children. Your enemy now will come dey depressed more because your children now seeing your children will still they give you, despite all the pains and everything you are going through, it will still make you get a rest of mind. But now, please, sister, I beg you with everything you hold dearly, never, 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 never take this kind of abuser back because he never changed and he not even learn in the hard way. Thank you, guys. I love you all.
Thank you very much. Thank you, my sister.
Austin,
God
I
bless
beg,
you. Nice
I beg,
solution.
yes, I beg, I see the hot. The conversation is going really nice, but the tapping is very low. I beg, make we go on 100K before we continue again. Make we go 100K. Only 10 people can take us to 100K. Exceptional.
Sorry,
Exceptional.
I beg.
I beg. Make we just quick do one, just 100K. Exceptional. Unmute your mic now here. Go.
No, I say after make I.
Hey, you
I
wait more reach
continue,
100K first now. More reach 100K first.
Okay. I want just beg Mr. Prince, make I go before him.
Okay. No wala, Baba.
So
You
I
too.
go wait.
Baba, please let's go to 100K. Still the echo. 100K. Baba Prince, I beg. Exceptional say you wait for them, I beg. My people, 100K, we're almost there. More just tap because the more we tap because the share they also very low. We never reach 250. Let's try and share, my people. This is a very good. See, many of us, I talk and just now, many of us will come up here and I can't give advice. Many of us, now, this shoe we wear, we wear this shoe. Many of us, people that they abuse us, now there we they shook our head. You understand? People will not they value you, will not respect you. Now that one, now you say now you want born your picking for. All of us did this wagon. Many of us, not be all of us. So let us, I beg, more reach 100K. I beg, we could just make we tap on. And this question where they talk now, so many people don't even know any other situation with this because they are not familiar with anything different. You see, some people not going to agree say that they this situation now. You will be woman now will be say you say man not fit touch you. Man not, you know what? Say any man will touch you, you go call police for that. But you know if you control your tongue. It's not saying a bad word the breeze slap come at. We go talk many things for you today. That will agree when agree. One quarter make we quarter today. We have to say it the way it is. Guys, let's go to 100K. And all those our men. Thank you, Madam Davis. What do you talk just now? To go jail, not be to just go jail, go sleep, come at all. Sometimes the reason why they call jail, now place why Oyibo they call them say correction center. Correction center. What did they correct? That your Agbeu brain, that your Agbeu mentality. When you go there, they'll go correct them. That's why they call a correctional center. Not because you go there, go sleep, come back. No, Allah, we'll go talk many things today. Please, 100K. But by exception, if you reach 100K, may you continue. Exception, how you going?
Exception, I continue, bro. Benefits. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Wherever you're streaming from, or morning, wherever you're streaming from. I beg, this matter is strong, well. Oga Andy beat am well. He beat the case well as he did. And my other sister will speak to beat am well as the matter day. Now, 4 things now I won't really talk on. because my brother don't really talk detail of already. One, this matter, it won't be like Malam with the gate man, and Ungozi, where the new bring come as cook na parable. And I want to talk about our family member matter too, the woman family members. Then the children, the primary concern are children own inside. Then followed by paper where brother will use Connie take to take upgrade himself. Now, sister, I go start with children own. You see this our children matter? They very sensitive. Oh. They very, very sensitive. You and that man are fit by on yourself, no problem. You see those children, innocent children, when I just they teach how to set karat and how to do takando, I be what I go call them, I don't know. And how to do WrestleMania 1, 2, 3, 4. Now don't they almost they reach 15 episodes now of WrestleMania. You not go tell good though. By the time your pikin reach school, you begin to wrestle like a Kogan. Now then you go know where you don't put you and that man will be say in brain no gree work, you know gree mature, you become a boy adult. Now, auntie, if they take pikin from you, not be as you go take train am as mama, now those people go take train am oh. You go there lucky if they go even remember to shoot scissors for the head. You go there lucky if they go teach them how to wake up in the morning to say hello, good morning, sir, good morning, ma. People waiting around. You go there lucky if they go give them better nutrients. If you don't get sickness before you come out from there, either if they go teach them how to man to carry woman, or man to carry man, or woman to carry woman, or people wait take and serve go they abuse them. Sisters, mokuna hold our children well. Mokuna hold our children well. Mokuna hold our children well. Teach them better thing. Where papa and mama they teach pikin. For how long we go continue like this? The same matter they come table every day, and we still dey platform. We they contribute. We still dey on top of the time bomb. Sister, the beating they give you vitamin D, I not go start from A. If they give you vitamin D, C, B, and A, I go start from under. Where be say, you don't know yourself again, you lose guard. Where? You don't chop chicken and chips finish for Europe. You don't know what to make you enter Europe. You they want suggestion from outside. Make your brain for correct. Make them for set and well for you. They beat you first time. Second time, third time, sister, you know, adjust yourself. Your ear no adjust well. Make you know say this one not be man. As it don't start to the panel beat you finish like this. Now so it go continue. If you get paper tomorrow too, now so it go continue. Now there it go worse pass. So if you never buy enough alaboku, aboliki, Odogu bitter for house, in case it don't beat you well, you go just take and make it for sleep well. Or, Dolipran, here now Dolipran, paracetamol, and Pakamet, and they call them for Ostra. So that painkiller, make you they take, when it don't pan beat you well. You need to get all these things as first aid for house, because more beating they come on. This one are just preamble, now introduction to the main beating. Sister, why be say they don't they beat you, they go. They be like say that they off your light, they go. You don't know say that they off your light, they go. You go there darkness before you go no say na light they won't take totally. Wake up, oh, this man get your own mission. Then your family member, that one, another concern. And they talk them every day. Una we be women. Men still they do it too. Where be say you go just carry your family, we born you correctly. You go throw them up. Go they match them for grand. Before your partner. You know good though. You know good. Now it don't set for you. Who you want tell? You don't hide. So there. You know, guy one day where you tell them what did they ground, what did they on board. The day when you will come open your mouth, say you want to tell them, it don't they too late. They go say, they dear my daughter. For our family, nobody they divorce, oh. You must stay there, you must stay put there, oh, my daughter. Papa, take diary. I know they take for our family, we know they divorce. You go dead there because it don't dey too late for you. Open up. Tell your people so that when you don't take your decision, they not go blame you say na ashara dey your eye. It dey your lineage. You need to sharp up. Any woman wey come Europe wey no wise again, not go ever wise again. You don't go ever wise because you don't first wise for Niger. Then when you come follow road, if na road you don't follow road, you don't come enter here. The hardship too don't make you wise. So if you don't come wise, you don't reach here, you will never be wise. Mokuna know they love finish. I don't talk this thing, I don't tire. Mokuna know they love finish. Love finish. If it happen, that's why they see some, they go start for top of the highest bridge, jump enter inside river. It don't end. Mokuna know they love finish. They dish your love out small. Nine love, the marriage, they last. Not be 100%. You go just pour out, wah. The man see you finish, you go change character. Again, sister, I use God beg you. Know yourself. Know yourself. All these kind of men where they beat. Now police they cop them. Now they adjust them. As they wear trouser, oversized for trouser, where they make them they abnormal. Police go help you, beat them, they go normal. But they not they ever change, oh. It's still there their blood. Make it not be say they go come pass them to the next baby, picking where they want born. It did their DNA. They will never change. He go only hide. When police correct them, he go only hide. Then I waited to explode for future. Lastly, you see this kind of man, so when in family they pressurize you, that they manipulate you, now manipulation be that. They won't sit office, they don't already sit the office, not be said that they don't already build the office for your head. They won't use you, make their brother get doku. Once he get that ladder way take climb up there, he go use and break your head more. So be wise. Like a serpent, as Bible talk am. No let them get access to that document. I repeat, no let them get access to that document. Because if he gets that document, he's going to burst back at you and use it to fight you. Now you get upper hand to fight him now, discharge him from your life. Because when he get that paper, it's going to be reverse to deal with you. Thank you very much. I rest my case.
Thank you very much, brother. Exceptional. Thank you. God bless you for your submission. Thank you very much. Let's go to our brother Prince. Brother Prince, unmute your side. Okay, maybe you have no problem again with his network. I don't know.
No, I dey here. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
I don't get problem. I greet the house. Good afternoon, my brothers and sisters.
I will get to pass.
Host, the matter, I have paid the way when my brother take to put a sessional bin. I hope I paid the way the other brothers, brother Andy take talk am. The matter, I see they talk all these brother when they abroad. Whether I don't know which kind of blood they flow for their vein, whether not the kind of blood when they us when we dey Nigeria here, whether na they get a be They get when they don't enter on top of that river, they remove their blood, fetch another blood, enter their blood when they disturb them. I know the thing never let me understand well because I keep hearing different things every day. When it comes to, they don't come on for Italy and Germany don't carry the World Cup. We don't know the another country when go carry on the next time now again. So the thing they tire me every day, and most of our women make them see they adjust abeg. No be everybody when carry cucumber for 2 legs, no be him be human being o. No be human being at all because some e be like say e be like the day when they born them, whether they know na only soya milk they take feed them when their brain no dey correct again. I no understand. My sister, you don already make the mistake, and wetin I go tell you, just leave that story when they pressurize you make you come let am get paper document. They no dey carry document give wrong person o. No try am at all, no even near am. Just off leave am make e just dey as e take dey. If dem wan dey too do, tell make dem come represent their brother, help marry their brother, make dem give am document. No be you, because all this beating, me I no know where for dey come o. Me I no just know at all. And this kind people, you go born for them. Now that time the beating go come dey worst. I be think say if woman born before, no be say this one now say na only woman you born, na make am dey even vex o. This one no even get head at all. E no just get head at all. If dem dey mention papa now, this one go raise up and say him na papa. This one no be papa at all. Na very bad papa, example of papa na be this one. E no get head. Na disgrace to men, na be all those kind people. All these kind men, I don't know where they for they come. Yeah, I don't know where they for they come at all. When they talk of Italy, they do their own. Germany don't come carry, they don't come join them. They do wetin that they do. Make them not worry o. One day, Mokingo go market, he no go come back. Now like this, I dey do am before. Now he go do am. He go land himself for where he no go ever come out again. Now like this, they do am before. He go beat person. That person when he go beat, he go land himself. They just beat, they get joy. One day you go beat person before you go say, may you open your eye. You go serve J. After J, you go find yourself for Nigeria successfully. I'm happy. Europe just dey look una. They clap and follow una. You know, no be the day when small pikin break pot. No be that day that they answer am. They just dey look una, just dey follow una. They look watch una. E get the time when e go reach. No be only you go serve, come outside, and be there with the give you. Once you serve finish, they go carry you near airport, collect their paper for your hand. They go land you for the nearest airport for Nigeria. Your eye now, that time, una brain go come calm down. But una just a bit to that they record down for now. Oyibo get sense well. Oyibo sense when they get. Nigeria think say they get sense. We never reach half. They just dey count and follow now. Una just dey do. They clap and follow now. One day when they go wake up now, they will say, this Oyibo, they don't let us stay their country again. Now don't they dance. They dance every day. They do wetin dey una mind. They record down for una. Once una record full, na airport una dey find themselves for Nigeria. Now steady airport, now you go dey find yourself for Nigeria. Because I no understand wetin dey go on for that Europe. I no just understand at all. No be every man when dey that Europe, no be him be men. And some women see they find themselves for there, they'll still go fall for their hand. You know, see that other woman when they try rescue that they can't go the forward number to one kind stupid human being when no get. Madam, abeg, make una dey take am easy. Even though you get high libido, abeg put your libido for slow. Make it dey run, make it, if na speed e dey run, put am for low speed, abeg. Control am. If you no fit control am, buy aboliki, apply am. If you no fit control am, instead of you to dey fall put for all these wrong people hand, use aboliki take dey console yourself. Because all these mad dog wey full street, I no know where they for come. We be think say na human being, I no know say na rottweiler come full everywhere.
What you talk?
I no know who train all this one o. Make dem buy aboliki dey apply o. Make dem dey use aboliki since make dem apply aboliki now. Aboliki no go kill person, e no go kill person, e go only pepper you for just that day. Than to dey collect this gbas they go slap you as if na small pikin. Even criminal sef, dem no dey big criminal like this. Go slap one of your ear, slap am so tey the ear drum go come get problem. For you to dey go with rottweilers, na rottweilers I dey call this kind men. Those are not men. All these bulldog when police release for inside cage, when they escape for cage, na dem come full Europe now. Na notice say those one na human being again. Even animal sef no dey treat their fellow animal like this. I don't know why human being wan come turn to another thing. Now so I want to end my own today because this thing don dey pay me.
Well, life is cool like you.
No be me.
It's like you. Because I said they're all.
Austin, e be like say they don hijack our brother. The king don call for Prince. Make Prince go listen to the king. Yes.